This video will show you how to assemble the Drumheller Metal Works collapsible fire pit. Your kit will come with a base, 3 number 1 panels, and 3 number 2 panels. The base leg extensions and grill are optional. The first step is to select a suitable area free of combustible materials. If you've purchased the optional leg extensions, you will need to flip the base over and install the legs using the provided pins. Next, start with a number 1 panel and insert it into a matching slot in the base. Install a number 2 panel on either side of the first, making sure to engage the tabs at the top. Slot in 2 more number 1 panels, hooking under the tabs of the adjacent panels. Finally, install the last number 2 panel, ensuring to engage both top tabs as well as the slot in the base. Your fire pit is now complete. If you purchased a half or full grill with your fire pit, simply set the grill on top using the provided slots. Disassembly of your fire pit is simple. If equipped, first remove the grill, then remove the 3 number 2 panels, followed by the number 1 panels. Each side panel of the Drumheller Metal Works collapsible fire pit can be customized with images to suit your style. You can also purchase new panels to change the look of your existing fire pit. Thanks for watching.